Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's episode we're going to be making this tasty, delicious, low budget macaroni. So I'm going to start off by showing you the ingredients I'll be using for our macaroni. And guys, here is our vegetable oil which we'll be using for our macaroni, and this is our spring onions, our sliced spring onion. And guys, here is our fresh tomato mixed with tin tomato and fresh blended pepper, all mixed together in this plate. And guys, this is our curry, our thyme and our garlic powder. We're going to be using this as our flavor for our low budget macaroni. And guys, this is our salt and our seasoning. We're going to be using this to season our macaroni. And guys, here is our chopped green beans and carrots mixed together in one plate. And guys, here is our parboiled macaroni. So guys, make sure to parboil your macaroni before adding it to your sauce. Don't just open it from the sachet and just pour it inside your sauce. Make sure to parboil it first before pouring it in your sauce. And guys, this is our hot pot. Here is me pouring the ground oil into our hot pot, and I'm going to let this sit for a little bit so the ground oil gets hot a little bit. So at this moment guys, we're going to be adding our spring onion to our hot vegetable oil, and here is me adding our spring onion, and I'll just stir it a little bit so it mixes with the vegetable oil, and I'm going to let it fry a little bit. So guys, this is me stirring the spring onions, and I'm going to let it fry for a little bit. So guys, at this moment we're going to be adding our fresh tomato mixed with tin tomato and our fresh pepper to our spring onions and vegetable oil. So we're going to stir it a little bit, and here is me stirring it thoroughly. So guys, next we'll be adding our curry powder, our thyme and garlic powder to our sauce. And here is me adding our curry and thyme with our garlic powder. For some reasons the the garlic powder has refused to enter inside the pot, so here is me pushing it into the pot. Up next, we are going to be adding our salt and our seasoning to our sauce, and we're going to stir it. So guys, this is me stirring our sauce and making sure everything is well mixed. And after stirring it, I'm going to let it boil a little bit. So guys, this is it boiling, and I'll be adding a little bit of water at this moment, and I'm going to stir it again and let it boil for 2 to 3 minutes. So guys, here is me stirring our sauce and making sure everything is well mixed before allowing it to boil for 2 to 3 minutes, as I said. So guys, here is our boiling sauce, and at this moment I'm going to be adding our green beans and our carrots to our boiling sauce. And here is me adding our green beans and our carrots, and I'm going to stir this again and make sure everything is well mixed. Then up next, I'm going to be adding our parboiled macaroni to our sauce. So guys, this is our macaroni, and this is me putting it bit by bit, making sure it all enters into my pot. So guys, here is me mixing our macaroni and making sure our macaroni is well mixed with all our ingredients. I'm going to be mixing this thoroughly and carefully, making sure we don't scatter or break our macaroni. So guys, at this moment our macaroni is well mixed, so I'm just going to go ahead and cover our pot and let this macaroni cook for 2 to 3 minutes on a very low heat. So guys, here is our macaroni, well cooked and sitting in all shades of deliciousness. Guys, come and join me, and make sure to like, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more delicious recipes like this. Bye bye.